Hello kids, today we are going to learn about our community helpers. We all need our community helpers. They help us by their duties. So today I teach you more about the persons who help us to carry out our different daily activities. So let's start. Farmer. A farmer grows crops for us. Doctor. A doctor cures the patients. Teacher. A teacher teaches us at school. Policeman. A policeman catches thieves. Soldier. A soldier fights for our country. Postman. A postman brings letters to us. Fireman. A fireman protects us from fire. Sweeper. A sweeper sweeps the roads. Mason. A mason builds our house. Tailor. A tailor stitches our clothes. Barber. A barber cuts our hair. Cobbler. A cobbler mends our shoes. Gardener. A gardener takes care of plants. Plumber. A plumber fixes our taps. Milkman. A milkman delivers milk. Driver. A driver drives a vehicle. Painter. A painter paints our house. Carpenter. A carpenter makes furniture. Mechanic. A mechanic repairs our vehicles. Architect. An architect designs our house. Chef. A chef serves us tasty food. Baker. A baker makes delicious cakes, pastries, etc. Watchman. A watchman guards our house or streets at night. Greengrocer. A greengrocer sells vegetables and fruits. Maid. A maid helps us in our household chores. Blacksmith. A blacksmith creates tools from iron, steel, and other materials. Electrician. An electrician installs or repairs electrical things.
Thanks for watching the video till the end. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.